We are near the Denver airport. There's the Gaylord. Place is freaking huge. If I can get over there, I'll film it, but I don't feel like walking all the way over there. Unless a bus will go over there. Oh, jeez. That's embarrassing. Someone knew was walking down the hall while I was saying that. Anyway, we got some MontgomeryKone elevators. Oh wait. Simplex drove here. There's vending. That's a pretty shitty vending area. All they vend is ice. Yeah, vending. Lanterns pretty out, but I believe these are Montgomery. Either this is really late Montgomery or MontgomeryKone. I think Montgomery. Oh yeah, it's MontgomeryKone. It says right there. Down to one. Okay, wow, that was dim. Smoking the weed in here. Oh, come on, the frame rate. Oh, there we go. Sometimes the frame rate doesn't get lined up right with the indicator. It makes it look all stripey. Sure, key switch. It's all just innovation stuff, but it's like the older style, so it's neat. Anyway, that's it.